Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, continuing on with my series of all about that base. So here we go, next video now. So what I am working on here is an 11 by 14 inch. I'm starting to run out of 12 by 16 inch canvases, so I'm sneaking some 11 by 14s in here. I don't want to be doing big pieces because I'm gonna have to pack all these up and take them with me to the new house, right? So 11 by 14 inch. Oh, and by the way, stick around to the end of the video, okay? I am going to show you the dried results of the first 6 pieces, okay? So stay tuned. I will show you the 6 dried results from the first 6 videos of the series. So stick around to the end. All right, so this is gonna be a bright one today. So the base color I am using is Greenish Yellow by Amsterdam. That is my base. Now this one is semi-transparent, all right? I kept calling it semi-opaque. It's the same thing really, but semi-transparent. And then as you can see, I have already painted my edges. So I am painting all my edges on all my base paints just to make sure there's full coverage and, you know, there's no white part of the canvas showing. So here's my base and here are my colors, and everything is mixed according to video number 63. For those of you who are new watching, check out video number 63. So the colors I'm using tonight, now all these colors I'm doing, all these base paints, all these colors that I'm using with the base, I find off Pinterest, okay? I'm going to Pinterest and I put in, literally, I put in Greenish Yellow color palette. And then Pinterest spits out all kinds of different color palettes that you can choose from. And this is one that I saw that I thought, oh, that's interesting. Is it gonna look good? No clue. So I'm gonna try it. And if it doesn't work out good, I'm gonna blame Pinterest. However, this is where I'm getting all my color ideas from for all these paintings, is from Pinterest, all right? So the color I'm gonna start with is, and I haven't even used this color before, it's Pewter by Amsterdam. Look at that. Pewter by Amsterdam. Then I'm using Pearl Tangerine Orange by Arteza. Then I have a little bit of 24 karat gold by DecoArt, and topping it off, Mauve by Holbein. So there are my colors. There is my base paint. And of course, you know it, gonna be using the flower hair dryer. This is a teeny tiny canvas, so I'm gonna use the flower on this. Actually, I'm gonna use the flower on all these canvases because it's so teeny tiny. All right, so I'm going to flood the canvas. I haven't been speeding you guys up while flooding the canvas, but I'm wondering if I should just speed you guys up because sometimes I just really don't have much to say. So I'm gonna speed you guys up and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded, bubbles popped. Let's get started. So let's start with the pewter. Now, I'm a little weary about these colors and even this base. Now, this will dry darker. Now, it is like super bright, which makes me think about doing like a few with the reflex green, reflex, what is it? Rose, the, you know, the really bright neon colors by Amsterdam. So I may think about that. But this will dry darker, so keep that in mind. And because these are some, you know, sketchy colors, I'm gonna just do my regular wispy on this one. I don't wanna mess around too much with some funky design composition, so I'm just gonna stick to a wispy on this one. It's also a smaller canvas. So I'm going to do just, whoa, this pewter. Hey. And I don't know. I didn't even have the lid fully open. No wonder it's not coming out very much. All right. It's almost like silver. It's almost like a dirty silver if you really look at it. So this Tangerine, now by Arteza, I love, I've said it before 100 times, I love these pearl Arteza paints because when they dry, they have such a beautiful shimmer. So don't forget, there is a discount code for Arteza in the comments below or in the description below. All right, 24 karat gold. Remember, very little. Do not load it on by DecoArt because it is just going to take over your entire painting. And then don't forget Holbein as well. That is also a very rich color. Holbeins are very rich, so that will also take over. But so just be mindful about that. All right. The colors look pretty. They actually really do look pretty. Question is, how are they going to blow out? Let's pop the bubbles. All right. Let's blow it out and see what happens. So as usual, I'm going to start here in the center and blow into my negative space and then just go with that. So let's do that. Wowzers. So here is my observation. The mauve with this is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Even the tangerine orange. What happened to my pewter? My pewter has disappeared. There's a little bit of it here and a smidge of it there. It's literally on the outskirts, really, but nowhere in the painting, maybe a strip here. So essentially, I lost a lot of the pewter. But you know what? I don't care because this is actually really pretty. Look what's going on over here. Yikes. Wow, this is really gorgeous. Pinterest, well done. Well done, Pinterest. This is really pretty. And you know what? I don't think I want to touch anything. What I will do is I want to blow some of the yellowish green into here because I kind of want some more negative space here. I really like this color. So I'm going to blow this part up a bit. There, I actually like that so much better because it left a nice ridge. I like that. I like that a lot. And I think I'm going to do it over here too because I really like this and I kind of want to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to do that. In fact, instead of blowing into the painting over here, I can actually scrape just this part. I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, no scraping needed. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so weird because I didn't expect that from these colors. I really thought it was going to be like a muddy mess, but clearly Pinterest has proved me wrong. So there's nothing else I'm going to touch on this. I'm going to take my squeeze bottle and fix up my sides wherever there is yellowish green not completely covering the canvas. And I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So don't forget, I've already done it. I know I'm cheating a little bit. Don't forget to scrape your drips. I've already done it, but here you go. I'll do it again. Scrape those drips all the way around. Do it 3 times. Give 10 minutes in between each time. Let's look at this beauty. So I'm really loving the mauve. And don't forget when I can't speak. I was going to say when the Arteza dries, I was going to say when this piece dries, the Arteza, the tangerine, what was it called? Pearl Tangerine Orange is going to look stunning. I cannot believe, look at that cluster of cells. It is amazing. I cannot wait to see this one dry because that pearl paint is really gonna shine. And I'm curious to see how the base color is going to dry darker, how much darker. So there it is there. I'm gonna turn the lights off and see what kind of shimmer we get with the flash on. Alrighty, flash is on. And now we know there's gonna be, see if I go too close, it changes the color. My camera changes the color. Can I zoom in a bit? Yeah, I'll do that. But there's going to be shimmer because of the 24 karat gold and the Arteza and the pewter. Those are all shimmering colors. Shimmery, whoa, look at that. Wow, this is my favorite part. This part here, you see, I'm far away, and when I go close, it really changes the color. So I gotta stay further back. Look at that shimmer. That's my favorite part of the painting, that top corner right there. All right, let's turn the lights back on. There you have it, everybody. So I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. It is available for purchase. If anyone is interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, I'm going to, not drop my phone. Holy smokes. I'm going to put my big studio lights on the 6 paintings so I can show you guys the dried results. So just give me a second to set that up and I'll be right back. All right, so forgive the lighting because it's just like, this is like my silly setup. So the first piece was this one, okay? That was piece number 1 and it dried beautifully. And you can see that there is that metallic 24 karat gold in there. So there's this piece, dried nice. Second piece, I believe was this one. Okay, so the bluish green base was that, I'm pretty sure that's what it was. And it dried really well. They all dried well. So they all have that shimmer in them. So there's that one. All right. And then the next piece I believe was gold. Yes. So this is the one, you see the streak marks? This is why I don't like to use a metallic as a base, because it leaves marks. It doesn't dry properly. You see that? Now I'm hoping with resin, it'll be less noticeable. I'm not really sure. But aside from that, look how beautiful this dried. The blue is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So that is the gold piece. There you go. Then we did red. This one is a favorite. Look at that pearl pink. Look at that. That's gorgeous. This one dried perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. Look at that. Look. Whoa. You see that? That dried perfectly. So that was that. Then we had purple. Then I had, let me pick it up. Then I had the purple base, which looks so dark. It's almost like black, but it's not. It's purple. But this dried really well. Look at that. You see how it just color shifts? So this one dried lovely as well. And last but not least, for now, the pink. This I don't know which one I like best. I really like them all. But look at the rich colors on this one. This one dried really rich. Look at that. There's the gold. So there you have it. There's all the 6 first pieces dried. Look at that. Ow, I just hit my head on the lamp. And then go like this so you can see them. So there you go. So that is it, everybody. That's it. Until the next video, which I'm going to record right after this. So I'll talk to you in a bit. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.